आज एक महिला प्रतिनिधि होने के नाते मैं विशेष अभिनंदन करती हूँ लेफ्टिनेंट कमांडर दिलना का, लेफ्टिनेंट कमांडर रूपा का, जो भारतीय नौसेना में अपनी सेवा के साथ साथ राष्ट्र को प्रखरता से प्रमाण दे रही हैं कि महिला को अगर राष्ट्र सेवा का मौका दिया जाए, चाहे वो नेवी ही क्यों ना हो, तो वो उत्तीर्ण हो सकती हैं। जैसा कि माननीय मुख्यमंत्री गोवा ने अभी कहा, 160 दिवस की इस अवधि में विश्व भर का सर्कम नेविगेशन अपने आप में एक इतिहास बनाने की प्रेरणा देता है। लेकिन साथ ही मैं नेवी चीफ को और पूरे भारतीय नौसेना को विशेष अभिनंदन देना चाहती हूँ कि अब तक सर्कम नेविगेशन ऑफ द वर्ल्ड में भारतीय नौसेना की महिला ऑफिसर्स ने पुरुषों की तुलना में ज्यादा योगदान दिया है।
Let me congratulate first the Captain Atul Sinha, Lieutenant Commander Ashutosh Sharma, Lieutenant Aviral Keshan, Commander Dhoke, Commander Nikhil Hegde, Lieutenant Commander Dilna, Lieutenant Commander Rupa, Commander Divya Purohit and Commander Zulfikar. Congratulations and once again welcome back to the state of Goa. For the historically the seafaring skills in India is heavily renowned right from the Southeast Asia to the Arab lands. Goa has had the long tradition of sending the marine across the globe, and having today the large number of the youth contributes to the growth of the maritime marine and spreading the rich Goan tradition the world over. I find it interesting that somehow all the famous ocean, whether it is Captain Dilip Dhonde, Captain Abhilash Tomy, and of the present era, find the sloke of the setting down in Goa. And we are also the proud that it is in Navika Sagar Parikrama, the 6 months, the women naval officers was flagged off and the flagged in from the same jetty. It is a courageous determination the display by the crews of the INS Tarini, especially the Lieutenant Commander Dilna K and Lieutenant Commander Rupa, has been extremely inspiring for the people of India, particularly that of Goa. And the achievement of the 2 women officers will be remembered for the long time. And seeing and determination in them, I am sure, and they will bring more laurels to the country. And we have also fortunate that the sailboat Tarini and Madai, and which have been navigated through the every kind of the weather and returned back with her crew safe here, and which is constructed in our own state, Goa, and which is the shining examples of the skills and competency of the Goa shipyards and Goa shipbuilding in future.